back to rural stuff. I'm going to shoot a few clay pigeons today with my air pistol. I think clays make quite good airgun targets because they're reactive as they smash, and you can either shoot them still or you can do as I've done in a couple of previous videos. I've put them down a zip line, which is great fun. Today I'm going to do more of a clay rabbit target, even though these are standard clays. As you can see, they're domed. You can get special rabbit target clays which are flatter or more symmetrical to be rolled. So I've tried rolling a couple down. It's almost going to be an impossible shot to shoot the edge. So it rolls down, basically turns and falls over most of the time. I've only rolled 3 down to look at them. So I'm going to basically let it go down, travel to the end, and try and time it so that I can shoot it just as it turns and falls. I did get it with the first shot that time. They do vary quite a bit. It's a varied target anyway. And a BB gun is also varied because the BB never comes out exactly the same. Oh, chipped it. Broke that one before I even put it on the target. Oh, that smashed against the other clay. That's a dead one. That's a miss. I don't know whether that looks easy or hard, but it's quite a hard target to hit that. I've had a lot of misses, I'll admit that. But yeah, because you've got the variation. Every time you roll it, it ends up somewhere different. I did clip it once on the edge as it was going down, so I was happy with that. Not that it broke it. It's more of a shotgun job when you've got a moving target like that, but it's nice to have a bit of a challenge. And it's different speed each time. See, that one went quite straight. It's curved round. I've had some that have gone right and then curved in a circle. But yeah, you've got to aim a few inches in front of the target, as you would with clay shooting with a shotgun. Maybe not a few inches. Well, depending on the speed, the angle, and everything else, you could be aiming several feet in front of a target thrown from a trap. One good thing with this target setup is you can recover 9 out of 10 of your missed targets, because most of them haven't broken. So thanks for watching rural stuff again. If you're into other things like tractors and the general out and about in the countryside, I've got another channel, more rural stuff. So check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, see you next time.